Hey y'all, this is Tony, and I'm a farmer. Guess what? The holidays have ended, but that doesn't mean your love for seafood comes to an end. So with my job that I love so much, I get a chance to walk into some of the best restaurants and get a chance to work with the best chefs. And look what we found here. These are lobster tails with skewers passed through them. And so chef, how you doing today?
Hey Tony, how are you? Happy New Year.
So tell me, what are you doing there now?
Well, I'm just getting ready to cook these, really blanch these lobster tails. We're gonna actually butter poach them, but we're just gonna set the meat in the shell, and I just throw a skewer in them so they don't curl up too much like that while I'm cooking it, so I get a nice straight lobster tail when I'm done. So right now, actually, the lobster tails are really reasonable. Lobster itself, after the New Year's, everybody's kind of long on them, so they're really reasonable. So I got some really beautiful lobsters for very reasonable.
Okay, that's a really good tip because everybody wants to load up for the holiday because everybody wants seafood and stuff like that. Many people do, but now all of a sudden now the season's over with, and now you have all these fantastic buys, right?
Yeah. So I'll throw these in boiling water for just a minute, 1 minute, just to kind of set the meat so I can take it out of the shell nice and easily. And then I'll just poach them in a little bit of Vermonti, which is just like butter and wine, real gentle heat. Okay. And that's it. I'll probably do like a surf and turf special or something like that.
So let me ask you this here. Now I see you have the other part of the lobster here. What do you do with this? Because it seems like...
Well, the heads will make like sauce American or lobster bisque, something like that. I'm actually already cooked the claws. I throw them in for 1 minute as well.
Oh, okay. So here are the claws that are here.
Okay. And so I'm taking those out. I cook them all a little bit separate because they all have different cooking times.
Oh, interesting. So you separate the claws.
Yeah, I cook, and I blanch these for about 2 minutes. So I'll take the meat out of it, and it's still, the meat's still not cooked all the way through. Okay. It's just like rare to medium rare. Okay. If you will, in seafood terms. And then again, we'll butter poach it.
So let me run back again on this here. So this is separated. You're going to cook the claws, and again, you just blanch them in the water for about a minute.
2 minutes. 2 minutes. Claws, 2
minutes on the claws.
Depends on the size of the lobster.
Okay, depending on the size of the lobster. Now, what type of lobsters are these?
I think these are Canadians. To be, you know, they're either Northeast Maine or they're Canadian, but I'm not 100% sure. Okay. I'd be lying if I said one or the other. So.
All right. So now you're going to blanch these?
Yes.
Now, is there anything special in the water that you use?
Just a little salt water.
Just a little salt water, okay. Yeah. And just a couple of minutes on the tails as well?
Just 1 minute on the tails.
Oh, just 1 minute on the tails.
Yeah, that's it. But I got to wait for the water to come back to a boil.
Okay. So
it's not boiling.
So we're going to bring it back to a boil, and then we're going to...
1 minute. Yep.
1 minute.
And then when the meat comes away from the shell, so it helps you get a much cleaner tail. And then, like I said, we're just going to real gently poach it in a little bit of butter. All right. Real slow.
Well, there you have it.
That's it.
Thank you, Chef.
Join Algonquin if you want to eat it.